Open House Evasion, created by Solo Hands. Pathway recording one more time. Enjoy. Come on! I don't seem to know how to play Mario Blast anymore. But there are people who would argue that. Anyway, that shortcut at the start saves you like 7 to 10 seconds, which, as you will see now, will be very helpful. That is, if I will stop getting stuck in the walls. Yeah, I made it. There we go. Finally I have this good run, so I can now show you why I rushed to get to the platform. Anyway, there's an out of bounds trigger here all over the floor, so very be careful. Oh god, not good. Not goody, not goody, not goody. I don't know why I've just done that. Now, there we go. I hope you enjoyed. I could have done faster, but that should be good enough. I hope you enjoyed.